Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Google Backup on Android 15 beta. First, go to Settings of your device, then go to Google tab, then click on All Services, Backup, and now choose what to backup. You can backup photos and videos or other device data. I'm gonna select both, then confirm, then click on Manage Backup, and here you can click on Backup Now to backup now. Confirm your screen lock, and now your data starts to back up. You can continue to use your device in the meantime. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.